What up, man? This your boy Maurice Cannon, man. Sitting in the studio live with my partner Vito, man, aka V-Tracks, Godfather. You know what I'm talking about? You pushing them out, man. You pushing them out here. Y'all wanna fuck with him, man? Area code 205-365-9174. Or you can email me at Maurice Cannon or Tommy Casino Gmail. However you want to do it. It's all the same game. Serious, if you want us in your area, man, it ain't hard for us to do, man. We'll come down here with these laptops, man, this equipment, man, and bang it out for you, like real talk. Or he'll just come work in your studio for an extra check. Shut it down, like real talk. Don't just think that y'all see this right here, like this all it is. This man can work and then a foot. You know what I'm saying? Like real talk. He just bleeding the shit out of mine. But he get him on the big board, everything, don't that change, man. Y'all saying this nigga is a legend. So all you got, you industry guys, man, you mixtape kings, y'all need to get in contact with him, man. It's the Godfather, man. Talk to him, man. Go, y'all don't need me, just talk to him, man.
Man, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Young Vito, aka Tommy Casino, aka V-Tracks, aka better known as the Godfather. You know what I'm saying? And we just banging out these beats, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been fucking with my nigga for a long time. You know what I'm saying? We been getting it. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't new to this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? We just allow y'all to come into our world and see how we put it down. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people hadn't got the chance to see how we get down in the studio. You know what I'm saying? But you getting an all access pass, man. You know what I'm saying? We just putting it in, man. Doing what we know to do best, man. Making these hits, man. You know what I'm saying? Like my partner said, man, we'll travel, we'll come to you, you know what I'm saying? We'll set up shop, whatever, you know what I'm saying? If the price is right, you know what I'm saying? You know, we come in a professional manner. We don't come with all that playing and babysitting. We come in, do a professional job, and leave you with a professional quality.
And then we go.
You know what I'm saying?
No quicker than you saw, we go.
You know what I'm saying? So make sure you get at us at all those different contacts that he just gave, you know what I'm saying? Holler at us, you know what I'm saying? And we'll get it in for you. It don't matter what genre of music, you know what I'm saying? It ain't just rap, you know what I'm saying? We do R&B, country, rock, pop, you know what I'm saying? Easy listening, you name it. Whatever you need done, we get it done, you know what I'm saying?
You can do it, man. Guaranteed, man.
I've been working with music and playing piano since I was 6, so I definitely know. Whatever you're trying to get done, I already know it. You know what I'm saying? We'll put it together and make it happen. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? V-Tracks Production, Fly Society, you know what I'm saying? It's a wrap, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the one-stop shop. You don't got to go nowhere else for nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Just holler at us, man. We'll get it in for you.
You heard what he said, man. You don't have to go anywhere else for anything else. And with that being said, we're going to drop this off. And when y'all shoot back in, my man going to probably do a beat for y'all, man. Starting from the south. So, all y'all guys out there making beats, man, producers, y'all pay attention so you can get you some tricks and tips inside. Because he will be working on Fruity Loops, you know what I'm saying? I think it's Fruity Loops 9.
Yeah.
So they probably on 11 or 12 now.
Yeah.
But he bleeding the shit out of 9. So y'all see what he can do with 9. This is what he doing on 9.
I work with them all, you know what I'm saying? I personally like 9 anyway. I got all the new ones too, and I still kind of like the control from 9, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's not in what you're using, it's who using it and who making it happen, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's a wrap.
Here we go. Side I take. Hey, y'all share this too, man, and leave your comments on it. Because every week is going to be something different, man.
Sure.
New stuff. We're going to have in-house sessions. We're going to show y'all tutorial beat making by the one on the Vito V-Tracks. Ain't no telling who we going to have in the booth. I'm got a little footage I'm going to throw up. Northside Weezy. Black Montana. My homegirl BG, Black Supremacy, she is ripping the shit out there, Mike. You know what I'm talking about?
Real talk.
Yeah, that girl hot, man. But anyway, we gonna let it fade out, man. Y'all just stay tuned and see what we got in store for y'all, man. Because we trying to bless the city, man. We want to work with y'all. Want y'all to work with us. So thank y'all for the support. Share it with a friend. Comment, man. You know what I'm saying? Peace, love, and have grease. But then what time it is. Let's do it.